I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Refrigerators have many internal components. This includes motors, fans, and valves. In this episode, we'll explore the many sounds that your refrigerator makes. This should give you a sense of what is normal and what noises you should investigate. This applies to most top freezer, bottom freezer, and side-by-side refrigerators. During the cooling cycle, the compressor pushes the refrigerant through the system. When you open the freezer, you should hear the evaporator fan running. This circulates air over the evaporator coils. You might also hear the condenser fan, which is behind the refrigerator. The condenser fan pushes air over the condenser coils. These fans are usually pretty quiet and only run some of the time. If the fan is making a squealing or grinding sound, then it's likely that the motor bearings have worn out. You can see how to install a new fan in the videos linked below. When the compressor runs, you'll hear a distinct hum coming from behind the refrigerator. The compressor will cycle on and off as needed, so it won't be running all the time. If the refrigerator is not cooling properly, then the compressor will run more frequently. You can learn more in the video linked below. It's normal to hear a click every once in a while. When the compressor starts, you may hear a click from the start relay. You might also hear a click when you dispense water. When you press the button, the solenoid energizes and the water valve opens. Now, if your dispenser is not working properly, then you can learn more in the video linked below. If you notice a faint ticking sound, then it's likely coming from the ice maker. The ice maker has a timed motor that slowly rotates through each cycle as it makes ice. These sounds are normal, but if you're having problems with your ice maker, then you can learn more in the videos linked below. If you hear a sizzle or popping sound, then it's likely the sound of ice melting during the defrost cycle. Over time, moisture from the air freezes on the evaporator coils. During a defrost cycle, the compressor is shut off. The heating element turns on, and the ice begins to melt. This can cause some random sounds that should only last for about 30 minutes. Now, if the defrost cycle isn't working, then ice will build up and the system will not cool properly. You can see how to troubleshoot the defrost system in the video linked below. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.